My brothers, this world is a race. This life that you're living now is a race. And the day of judgment will be the end of that race. And on that day, my brothers, you see, there are many names for the day of judgment. And one of the names for the day of judgment is the day of regret. Because it is on that day, my brothers, where people will come to see the reality of things. They will then look back at their lives and then they will start to regret. That where did I go with my life? Where did I invest my time? Where did I invest my money? Where did I invest my health? Did I put it to that which was going to be beneficial for me on that day? Or did I waste it like the millions and millions around the world that also wasted it? This life, my brothers and sisters, wallahi, believe me when I tell you, don't be fooled with what's happening around you. It's a race. And Allah Azza wa Jal, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He orders the believers and race and hasten to that which is good. Compete amongst one another. We should be competing amongst one another to that which is good and to that which is khair. Why? Because when this race is over and each person will be given his reward, there's no coming back. You see, it's not like here now in dunya, you and I, we can do an exam and maybe, you didn't do very well in it. So you go back to the college or to the school or whatever the case is. Yeah, you reapply and you come back and you may sit that subject again and you could sit the exam again. But with Allah, there's no such thing. My brothers, we only have one life. There's no second chance. There's no second shot.